Ein, zwei, drei, vier. It's called a cane boil in FiddleFest. You see the crowds we get, they come out because it's very simple. It's making cane syrup. We give away biscuits from the cabin and kitchen, and we have all this wonderful music.
This music is our heritage, okay? This is not just the tune that's being played by the popular artists of today. This is history. That's a lot more tangible than something you read in a book, because it's living history.
But there's sugar cane down there.
I know.
Could I go ask?
You may ask all the questions you desire, but do it politely.
My duties are to simply harvest the cane and help the young'uns press the cane. Just to guide them, make sure their hands don't get too close to the machine and such like that. We get a whole bucket of cane juice, and once we get the bucket of cane juice, we'll take it over, usually to the cane kettle. And we'll boil it down, and 60 gallons of cane juice will probably end up producing about 6 gallons of sweet, dark cane syrup.
It's sugar cane. What does sugar cane taste like?
Sugar.
So it's just giving a sense of watching things grow rather than seeing things in packages in stores. So I love packages in stores, but to also know where they come from makes everything a richer experience.